Earliers. Today for maths we are going to be practicing counting to 10 and for some of you on counting to 20. We will also practice taking two numbers and adding them together. Some people also call it plus and finding an outcome for that. What I want you to put up in your brain today is your number knowledge. We'll be learning to recognize and recall numbers to 10 and we are going to use an activity that we have used in class together. See if you recognize this guy over here. This is our wonderful Irish leprechaun, and you might remember this activity from last time, but let's see if we can give it a go. So what we'll do is I am going to write a sum in this box here, which is an adding one. So let me see if I can do number, see which number that is? Yeah, 2. Add. What number is that? 2. And then this sign. Officially it's called the equal sign, but we say 2, add 2 more, makes, and then we're going to find out how much this makes. And to help us, we are going to use the coins. So I'm going to put 2 coins into the pot for 2. Then I need to add 2 more and 2 more. And then I can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I know that 2 add 2 more makes 4 golden coins for our leprechaun. Let's see if we can do another one together. Erase these and put all those coins back again. All right. See if you can read the next sum for me. I'm going to quietly write it down. There we go. Can you read this for me? 3 add 1 more makes, or 3 plus 1 equals. I'm going to start with putting 3 coins in the pot. 2, 3. Then I need to add 1 more. Let's count how many I've got this time. See if you can help me count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 again. All right, number 4. Lucky leprechaun. 4 golden coins in the pot. Let's try 1 more and see if maybe now we also get 4, or maybe we'll get a different number. Now we did this in class 2 times together, and we used different counters ourselves as well to give it a go. But before you do that at home, let me give you 1 more here on the screen. I'm going to go for a little bit bigger numbers this time. I am going to go for this number here. Yeah, 6. I have to remember to write add. There's another 2. Makes how many? 6 add 2 makes how many? Let's start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you see how I'm counting as the coins are being moved? That way it's not confusing for me. 6. How many more? 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Now I've got many coins in this pot and they're all lying in a really big mess. Maybe if I put them nicely on one row, it will be easier for me to count them. There. Will you help me count? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 add 2 more makes 8. Oh, well done. Now I'd like you to try an activity at home. So you probably haven't had a leprechaun visiting, which means your house might not have golden coins in it at the end of a rainbow in a pot. But as you can see on the picture here, you might have some of these other things at home. Maybe you have blocks, Lego, animals, marbles, shells, buttons, pasta. I can see candles. I can see some crayons, little dolls. Find something that you've got quite a lot of that's not super big, and you can use those as counters. Now the next thing that you need, you're going to have to ask a little bit of help from mom or dad. If you have a printer at home, this can be printed off, and you can see that there are scissors, and you can cut out the cards and then use the counters to find the answers. You do not have to write the number because you can use these cards again next week. So store them somewhere safe, please. You need to do the same activity next week. If you do not have a printer at home, you can get a piece of paper, cut it into strips, and ask help to write these sums on your paper. You might have noticed that the sums are in different colors. We've got blue ones, we've got dark orange, and then we have a green one with a star. You can start with the blue ones. If you think, I have practiced this for a few years already, I would like a bit of a challenge, you can take the orange ones. And if you think, well, I've practiced this a lot as well, I think I'm ready for a green one, then you can take the green one too. Yeah, so start with blue, move on to orange if you're ready for it, and then try the green one as well. For those that might already have been doing a little bit of addition at home as well, you can also write the sums and the answers down on a piece of paper to give you a bit of number writing challenge there too. Okay? Have fun with it. Go find something fun to count with, and remember to ask mom and dad for some help with either printing or writing down the sums for you if you need help with that. Yeah? See you at the next activity. Bye bye.